Hello crafty friends, it's Alicia of the Me Crafty YouTube channel, and I am so glad that you have joined me today. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope that by the end of this video you'll be inspired to hit that subscribe button below. If you're a regular viewer and subscriber, thanks again for stopping back by. It is the 30th of the month, which means it is time for another round of the Sweet Treats collaboration. This is a collaboration that is hosted by Memory Lane Keepsakes here on YouTube, and each month we are given a theme and we create a paper crafting project that has a sweet treat in it that follows that theme. So for this month, Tanya has given us two options. The most obvious one, create something for Halloween, but if you don't celebrate Halloween, you might see some of the other collaborators using breast cancer awareness as their theme for the month. Speaking of other collaborators, everybody else in the collaboration is linked below. I hope that once you're done with my video, you'll go check them out, leave them some love. Since Halloween was going to stump me just a little bit, I knew I had this paper pumpkin kit that I hadn't used yet. I have opened it up so I kind of know what's inside, but I thought that my sweet treat this month would just be all of the candy that I'm going to be putting in this. These are little goodie bags. They have cute little toppers. There are 3 different kinds, a ghost, a bat, and a pumpkin. And there's, of course, the stamp set to go with it. You get a basic gray ink pad. And then inside this shrink-wrapped package, there's everything you need to create these. So what I'll do today is create one on camera so you can see how it works. Now, you all know, if you've been here for any time, that I like quick and easy projects, cards, and these paper pumpkin kits are the perfect way to get in a little crafty fun each month, but also have it be quick and easy because everything is here ready to go for you. The instructions, the die cutting is done. You're given the twine, the cardstock. Now, if you like this kit and you're interested in maybe subscribing for yourself and you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I do have a personal friend who is a demonstrator. So I'll link her shop below if you want to go check it out, maybe subscribe for a month or two. You can stop it, you can pause it at any time. Inside here are clear bags with little spiders. And then we also have orange bags with some stripes. Also inside here are the bottoms for the treat bags, so I'll pull out a couple of those. And these just help them stand up. There are glue dots, die cut banners, and I think these are what hold them together. And then we have some die cut pumpkins, silver pieces, die cut words, nice. And then also you get the instructions. I'm going to set all my goodies to the side for now. I'll pull those back in when it's time to fill up my bag. Step 1 says to stamp all of the tags. Just to keep things quicker today, I am only going to stamp the one that I'll be using. I'm going to do a purple bordered tag with the spider treat bag. And because I am not a fan of spiders, I am going to choose the Eek stickers and a bat die cut. So I'm going to stamp my message, and again it will say Eek at the bottom. And another great thing about these, not only is the word already die cut, but they are actually self-adhesive too, so they're already stickers, which with intricate die cuts or sentiments like this, it's great to have them already have the sticky on it. And I think I'm going to choose the Frights and Delights sentiment. because this is a brand new stamp, I am going to practice stamping a couple times on a scrap piece of paper, just to make sure that it's going to look nice when I go ahead to put it on my tag. I know that some of you saw the treats I had on here earlier, and my favorite candy out of those has to be the Starburst. I'm more of a sugary person than a chocolate person, but what is your favorite treat? Your favorite candy? Let me know in the description box below. And now what I'm going to do, there are some little spider stamps, so I'm going to stamp a few of those on the top. Step 3 says to adhere laser cut word sticker. I had already done that in step 1, so we will skip that. Step 4, adhere silver foil die cuts to the pumpkin and ghost using adhesive dots. I'm not using either one of those die cuts, so I'll move on. Step 5, adhere ghost pumpkin bat die cut to the tag using dimensionals, so they already give you those. I have a little package of Stampin' Up! Dimensionals here. The great thing is I am going to have dimensionals left over to use for other projects that are not this kit. I always love the extras that come in the kit each month. And I think I pay after shipping like less than $22. It's $19.95 a month. And then there's just a couple dollar charge for shipping, which isn't bad considering it's coming in that really nice box that you could reuse for other things. And I just realized that I totally skipped step 2 thinking that I was doing something else. I need to wrap each tag with 12 inches of baker twine. The baker's twine is black and it has a little silver streak running through it. It's very cute. I'll definitely keep this in my stash for other things. Probably should have done this before. Considering my bat is now, I'm going to take my bat off real quick. I thought the twine actually helped keep the bag together, but apparently it is just decorative on the tag. There's enough to wrap this a couple times, so I'm going to do that. And I'll go ahead and put my bat back down. I think I'm going to kind of angle it this time. That way you can still see some of the twine, but then you see the sentiment as well. And now I'm going to place the white cardstock insert into the bottom of the bag. And I'm going to put some candy in it. Then it says adhere tag to the bag using adhesive dots. Just to make sure that my bag is going to stay closed while I get my tag on there, I'm going to go ahead and just put a little mini staple right up there. That way I think for me it's going to be easier to get that tag on. So you use these adhesive dots on the tag. What I think I'll do is put one in each of the corners close to the center fold. And then maybe 2 down at the bottom. Just to keep everything in there nice and adhered together. They're tiny, but they are cute. So there is my quick, easy, Halloween themed sweet treat project for this month. If you enjoyed this video, I always appreciate a thumbs up. Make sure again to please visit all of the collaborators below. I'm sure they're all going to have awesome projects for you to come see. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.